Hey, welcome. What if connecting China didn't require separate architectures, telco contracts, or compliance workarounds? What if performance, security, and governance were already built in as part of your global platform? This is the promise of a seamless, compliant China connectivity, and it's what Cato delivers. Enterprises don't just operate near China, they're going to operate through it. From sourcing and manufacturing to logistics, regional leadership, and go to market execution, China is embedded in the way global businesses run. When users, systems, or partners in China are disconnected or delayed, the entire organization feels it. This isn't a branch office problem, it's a business continuity risk. Integrating China into the enterprise architecture securely, reliably, is no longer optional. It's operationally essential. To operate at global speed, enterprises need more than just a connection into China. They need connectivity that's compliant by design, not managed through local workarounds. They need consistent performance that can handle cross border traffic without latency spikes or packet loss. They need full stack security enforced in country, not partially inspected somewhere else. And they need operational simplicity, one platform, one policy engine, one view. Anything less introduces drag, risk, or inconsistency where you can least afford it. Most legacy architectures weren't built with China in mind, and it shows. Enterprises are left to source and manage their own cross border infrastructure, navigating regulatory hurdles and provisioning delays, often with no support if compliance issues arise. Now, performance is unpredictable. Traffic rides the public internet exposed to the Great Firewall without any type of SLA or escalation path. Security enforcement is inconsistent. Many vendors offer only partial stacks, URL filtering, but not DLP, offloading inspection outside of China altogether. And operationally, China becomes a carve out, separate console policy and SKUs that increase overhead and risk. The result? Well, it's a patchwork of exceptions that may technically connect China, but operationally compromise the enterprise. And Cato rethinks China connectivity by making it a native part of the global platform, not an exception. Connectivity is delivered through licensed POPs inside of China with SLA-backed egress through Hong Kong. No telco contracts, no MPLS provisioning, just secure, compliant access. The full security stack, zero trust, secure web gateway, cloud access security, DLP, threat prevention. It's all there, enforced in line, in country, with no offloading and no licensing gaps. And operations are radically simplified. One policy engine, one console, one platform. It treats China like every other region, with full visibility, consistent governance, and no special builds. It's not just compliant, it's faster, simpler, and fundamentally more secure. If China has been an exception in your architecture, let's change that. Explore how Cato can help you simplify, secure, and scale everywhere you do business. Visit catonetworks.com/platform to learn more.